Investing in property is more like starting a business than making a simple investment. It takes months to enter, months to exit, and typically nothing but hassle in between. I founded Property Partner to change all of that. Using our platform, investors can select a property, choose to invest as much or as little as they want, earn their share of rental income every month, and quite simply sell whenever they want to.
UK property is a £7 trillion asset class that no serious investor can ignore, but has traditionally been difficult to access. Our property trading platform proves that accessibility, convenience, and liquidity can be revolutionised through technology.
With over 150 years of property industry experience, my team of property experts select residential, commercial, and purpose-built student properties throughout the UK, offering excellent diversification opportunities.
We review hundreds of properties each month, and only the best make the grade. We choose these properties based on key criteria, such as location, occupier demand, rental income, and capital growth prospects.
The property selection process is supported by our in-house research team. We keep on the pulse of market trends and inform our investment strategy by providing the property team with the latest insight on demands, rents, and pricing, empowering them to stay ahead of the curve.
There are also plenty of opportunities available on our property exchange, the Resale Market. The Resale Market allows investors to diversify and add to their growing portfolio. To add to this, we regularly feature our property experts' top picks, each with a unique and compelling investment case. Traditionally, most property investments have been illiquid and hard to access, let alone exit. Our current average time to sell is just 3.9 days, which means you can buy and sell shares quickly in a flexible, real-time marketplace.
We deal with vendors, agents, and mortgage providers and manage the legal process from offer to completion and beyond. We also make sure all our tenants are taken care of, from lettings to maintenance and everything in between.
As a business authorised and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, we have a dedicated team to ensure best practice for compliance and regulatory standards.
We're constantly innovating. The tech team plays an important role in the platform security and providing an accessible customer experience when navigating the site.
Our customer service and relationship management team are on hand to help out with any questions that you have. Clients have rated our service 5-star on FIFO.
We also offer a range of tailored premium services to meet investor needs.
We've grown from an idea on paper to an award-winning and growing platform managing over £100 million of assets, and we don't plan on slowing down.